What's up YouTube? It's your girl ChericeShana and welcome back to my video. As you guys can see, headscarf on, eyebrows already done. My birthday is tomorrow and when you guys see this video, my birthday would have been yesterday. So happy birthday to me. What I like to do right before my birthday, like literally the night before my birthday into my birthday, I like to get ready and be all cute and walk into my birthday looking and feeling amazing. So today's no exception. This is going to be a talk through video. I'm not about to bore you guys with meaningless chatter or anything like that. Sorry, I am fixing myself. It just is what it is. And I'm not going to cut that part out. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe. You guys should be subscribed to me because I'm going to give you guys great content. And yeah, I'm beginning and just follow my journey in here on YouTube. So subscribe to my channel. Also make sure you thumbs up this video, like this video, leave me a comment. Let's kind of engage with each other. All of my social media networks are going to be scrolling up like right here or maybe right here. No, preferably right here. It should be scrolling up. So those are my social media networks, so make sure you follow those. And without further ado, let's just get right on into the video. Okay, you guys, so right now I'm doing my little funny faces but I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face. This is BH Cosmetics Studio Primer, and to put it on the oiliest spots of my face, wipe it in. It's for oil control. It's very much needed. Just fixing my little scarf here. And now I'm gonna start with my eye primer. This eye primer is by Wet n Wild. It's supposed to leave the colors on all day, and it definitely does the job for me. And it's very, very inexpensive as well, which is a plus. Now I'm putting on some tape, birthday makeup, well, pre-birthday, birthday makeup needs to be on precisely, and so I decided to use tape today. Going in with my favorite palette, using the tan color, the Crayon case palette. Using that as my transitional shade. Absolutely love that color for transitional. Oh, the brush that I'm using is a fluffy brush. Just a fluffy Face Essentials brush, I believe. I didn't have that brush so long. The name, number, make, model is already long gone. I did use a brown, as you guys can see, just to warm it up as well, warm up the coloring. And I did that in the outer and brought it towards the inner, on the top portion of my eye, not exactly the lid, above the lid, almost up into the brow bone area. And now I'm using the LA Pro Girl concealer. This is in the color Fawn, and I am making a cut crease. And this is very subtle for me. I take my time. I'm a beginner, so you know, be messing up or whatever, but I wanted to make sure that I kind of take my time. It's my pre-birthday. At midnight it's gonna be my birthday, so I want to go into my new year of life looking bomb. So definitely took my time when creating this cut crease this time around. So I'm taking my time, like I said before, and I am going to make a few mistakes, as you guys are seeing. I like my cut crease to be literally on my lid and not above. I do want to try an above the crease cut crease, but when you hear cut crease, you think of exactly where your crease is. So I did go a little bit above. I did make a couple mistakes while I was doing this. However, I used some shadow and I cleared that right on up. Now I'm using this tan color again, and I wanted to originally go for like, you know, like a muted look kind of, but then I decided, nah, I want to add a little bit of something different. So on top of the tan color, I put gold, and I chose gold because it reminds me of royalty, and I just put the gold, I tapped it right on top. So the gold is not as pigmented in this look because the gold was not what I placed right on top of the cut crease. The gold gives it like a really cute glittery effect. Then I decided to use some deep plum and just putting that in the corner of my eye. This just deepens up the look to my liking. And I didn't really have a color scheme. I was just going with the flow, picking up what I like to pick up. So now it's time for me to line my eyes. I am doing a little wing with my Rimmel London eyeliner in black, of course. I am so psyched out when I do stuff like this on camera. Like, I went to work. Now I'm just using some Blackest Black mascara from MAC. And now it's time for me to prep my lashes. I'm using Lily lashes in the style Mykonos. And while I prep that, I go ahead and put some color corrector from LA Pro Girl on my face, and then I blend it in with my expert face brush from Essentials. And I like doing that before I put on my foundation. Now for my foundation, what I'm using today is Colourpop, and if you don't, or if you want to know, I'm in the color Dark 175. So I'm using my face brush to go ahead and put that all in. I do use 2 pumps on each side of my face, and that just gives me the coverage that I want. Pulling up my scarf a little bit, make sure that all of my head, my forehead, has the foundation, and I'm just going ahead and blending it all in. And then I'm using my black opal setting powder in the color medium to set my face. And not to blend that into the neck and all that good stuff, so I could be nice and mattified. I'm lining my waterline with Celavíe in jet black. Don't you hate when we be making faces when we put eyeliner on? Or am I the only one who makes faces? I did put my lashes on off camera, as I always do. And now it's time for me to highlight. I'm using the color Toffee in LA Pro Girl just to highlight. I highlight underneath my eye, the bridge of my nose, sometimes the side of my jaw, my chin, my cupid's bow, and a little on my forehead. I'm using the contour color LA Pro Girl in Mahogany to do my jawline, which I definitely need because my face is round. I do my cheeks, which I really don't need to do, but I do it anyway. And now I'm using my blender, and this blender I got from Juicy Couture. It is damp, you guys. Make sure your blender is damp. And I just go ahead and dab, dab, dab until it's all blended into my skin. And now it's time for me to go ahead and get that contour chiseled into my face, honey. I also use my Facial Essentials brush to buff in the contour. I always think that ends up working for me a little bit better than just the Beauty Blender. Now I'm going to go ahead and contour my nose. I gotta blend that all in. And now I'm gonna go in to set the contour, and I decided to use the color brown for setting my contour, and that is the Crayon case palette, box of crayon palette. I do, you guys, have contour powder that I use from Morphe, but I didn't have it on hand and I thought that the brown color would be able to do the trick as well. And I'm using my Nye Banana Powder to bake from my under eye, nose, chin, and all of that. And I'll be looking crazy when I'll be putting this powder on because it's so fine. The powder is really fine milled, and because it's fine, it would just be falling all over the place. It doesn't stick to my face, so I'd be looking so crazy when I put this stuff on. I am going to be trying different baking powders, highlighting powders, setting powders really soon for you guys, because as I'm changing, so is my makeup. But I love baking. And I dance and have fun until it's time for me to wipe it all off. And to wipe it all off, I'm just going to use my Fluffy Sigma F30 brush. It is literally my favorite, like one of my favorite brushes ever. I actually really love Sigma brushes. Alright, so there I go, dusting everything off. And I know you guys still see the contour lines. Trust and believe, that is going to be blended in. I use this BH Cosmetics brush to actually get into the fine lines and blend out the contour. Now I'm going in with another brush and using my bronzer. And with the brush that I use for my bronzer, sorry, I can't even talk today, is how I blend. Now for some blush, I'm using Beauty Essentials and Wine. Definitely using my Artist Couture and Conceited for my highlight. Ooh. And I apply that with the Sigma brush. A little subtle glow, you feel me? A little subtle glow. I do end up bronzing some more, you guys, and blending some more on my jawline, which I didn't get to show in the video. I guess I cut that part out by accident. But moving forward, I'm lining my lips with Celavíe and Chestnut and using Rihanna's Fenty Balm Gloss, which I absolutely love. Now, time to take my hair down. Oh, do you guys see? I absolutely love my hair. I'm so in love with my hair. You guys, this is the final look. Tell me what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a comment. Tell me if you like the look or not. Let me know if I should do more videos like this. If you want some information on my hair, a link to where I purchased the hair will be down below. Updated routine, first look, first impression on this installed hair and how it bleached. You guys will know. Until next time, bye.